Okay, dear friend, now I want to introduce this part of our winding machine. Firstly, this switch, we have to press it in this direction. This one is for fixing this whole part. Okay, normally we will not change it. If you press here to right side, that means this working part is loosened. When this part is loosened, and then the winding machine cannot be operating. And there's another one. This is the lumbar. This one, the adjusting weight is like this. You have to press it. Okay, press it, and then you can turn left or turn right. Here, this one, the lumbar more bigger. That means the zipper T is more wide. Just now we are winding, the setup lumbar is 2. The 2 lumbar, that means you can see the zipper gap is very narrow. That means this one and here, the pressing winding gap is very narrow. The lumbar more or less, the winding distance is more narrow. I show you. Now this is the for lumbar 2. Now I want to adjusting to the bigger one. Okay. Now I change to number line to show you. Okay. Firstly, we have to return to yellow and starting it. You can see it. Now I already changed to number 9. The zipper gap. You can see the T chain. Okay, the gap is more far. That means the lumbar is more bigger. The each chain and chain distance is more far. Here, this is the counter. The counter, we can set up how many meters you want to winding for one row. If you want to set up here, and then press this one, this middle button to choosing the number. Okay, choosing which number. Now I want to set up to 100, and then press here to this one, and then up and down to choosing the number. Okay, and then if I want to change here, and press this number again, and now I want to change to yellow. Okay, now the setup quantity is 100, and then press here to confirm. Okay, now later when the machine to winding finish 100 meters, and then the machine will stop automatically. And another one, this one is for the speed adjusting device, also called the frequency. Okay, the number is more bigger, the speed will be more faster. So that means turn to the right side, the speed will be faster, and turn to the left side, the speed will be slower. Okay, you can see it, the number. This is for our machine speed adjustment. Okay, this one is for adjusting here. Here is for the zipper roll wide. Okay, loosen this screw to adjusting this position. These two switch is for adjusting here the winding roll length here for here. Okay, that means here the length.